What's going on, guys? This is Commando Vlogs here, and today we're going to be doing NERF. Now, I'm gonna meet my friend Cole down there, which hasn't been in a video yet, but he will be in a video, so that's exciting for him. I'm gonna meet him down at the park. We're gonna play with NERF. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. The stress of editing put me off for a bit, but I'm back. Hopefully I won't quit again, and let's get right into this. I'll see you now. Guys, we're here with Cole. Say hi, Cole.
Hey.
So shit. Hash, right. So alright, so all I'm gonna say is hashtag first person cam view. Spam it down in the chat. Lets you know you've actually watched the video and who's watched the video.
Mr. Puggy Muggy Duggy.
Subscribe to Mr. Puggy whatever thing.
Mr. Puggy Muggy Duggy.
He has no viewers, because what he's trying to do is he's going to try and get as much subscribers as he can without even uploading one video. So go subscribe.
Yes.
And definitely subscribe to me first. I mean, if you had to choose who to subscribe from, me or Mr. Puggy Wuggy
I'm going
Duggy,
behind on the trigger
it would be me. Oh yeah. It would be me, of course. But just for you noobs who don't know how to subscribe,
It's probably because you've got our guest channel. That's what
click, I don't know, wherever the subscribe button is. If you're on tablet or Xbox or whatever, down here. Shit. Okay, guys, so today we're going to be doing NERF, as you can see, but we don't know quite what challenge we're going to do yet. But tomorrow, this vid, which will be up tomorrow, obviously, I'm going to record it and then put it up about after tea time, will be a Retaliator NERF gun unboxing and playing with it. But the Retaliator is actually Cole, so you're going to see Cole's tomorrow. We're going to unbox it with Cole, probably at the same place here tomorrow. We're going to unbox the Retaliator, and then we're going to pretty much use the Retaliator in some wars and target practice and whatnot. Right, so Cole's gonna put his guitar in the scooter rack. Now, guys,
check this out, guys. Bunny hops for the win.
Alright, guys, now put in the chat if this is a good angle for the camera on my helmet. If you can see clearly in front of me. I think it should be
One in the chamber, anywhere to get
only one bullet. Oh, karma. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Let the fight commence. We have 30 seconds grace. We'll see you on the other side, folk. You have no idea my tactic, guys. I'm gonna spy on where he goes. Okay, I'm gonna look right. I'm gonna look around the corner, just in case he's following me, and then I'll leave. I'm gonna follow him round. Alright, guys, full focus mode here. He's not gonna expect me. I come in this way, so I'll have the surprise upper hand. But just in case he does see me coming, safety precautions are always at hand. Need to look behind me at all costs. This is my gun that I'm using, by the way. You just saw it at the start. I think I can hear him. Okay, room is clear. By the way, you're going to be annoyed that you can't see like around me, but to be honest, you see what I see, so. Don't think he's there. You might have a little bit higher, but I think apart from that. Okay, right. Right. And I don't see him. Which is worrying. I'm just thinking where he is. There's no telling where he is. He's probably like way behind me by now, but me. That sneaky camper. Bet you he's camping somewhere. I need to watch my back at all times. Alright guys, if I do a live stream video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have my helmet on backwards, then you'll watch my 6, then you'll put in the chat if he's behind me, and then I'll turn around and get him. Cover my 6. I might do that. Probably not. Right. He's there. So! You've caught up on my tactic, have you? Nope. I went round against the wall and looked out, and you were sprinting towards that way, so I went the same way as you. Why did you just take your scope off? It's a shot to the body or a shot to the head, your limbs are disabled, and if your gun gets shot, your gun's disabled. So there's really no point in living if your gun's disabled. Now he's got an advantage, you've got a motored one. I've got a standard one. Shit. That bullet was pointless. Ah, the bullet fell out. Oh no! Just get the bullet! This is the worst NERF fight ever. Oh crap. Shit, popped.
I shot you in the body.
He didn't. He's got no bullets.
Hold on, Ken, let me fix this. Ken.
One bullet in the chamber.
It's not working, seriously.
One bullet in the chamber. That was pathetic. And he's dead!
What in the hand? Got me in the hand.
We'll watch a replay to make sure when we get back, but I'm pretty sure this is what I saw. Right? I'm pretty sure this is what I saw. So you're running, went like bang, like hold your hand out like that. I'm pretty sure I went like bang, bang.
Nah. Alright, here's what happened. I feel it here still. It went like, it was like just skidding past.
Alright, it looked like it hit off. Okay, we'll watch the replay when we get back to know if Cole's cheating or not. And then I'll be able to tell, and even though Cole got the point now, well, I'll edit in the video if Cole actually got the point or not. Alright, there's my friend behind me, but he's not allowed in this YouTube video, so I'm gonna try. Really?
Yeah. Scary.
doing a YouTube video.
Hey, Connor.
Alright. Alright. So Cole, do you want to do another death match or another mode or what?
Try another one. One down.
What other mode is there? One in the chamber, 30 seconds grace period, let's do this.
Karen, what is he coming for? Watch out. Just look over the edge. Don't shoot me.
I know, we'll jump. Right. 30 seconds grace period starts now.
How many?
30.
Make it 20. It's like way too short.
Why are you following? I'm camping out this right. I think this is a good camping spot. When he passes, I'll just shoot. If he passes, he gets fired. This isn't good. Gotta check for Cole. He's gone. Cole's gone. Oh, Cole is gone. Karma enrages my spirit. Karma. Cole's gonna be looking for me for ages, not realising where I am. He's gonna find me. He's either gonna spot me straight away, or he's gonna find me. Or he's gonna find me eventually, I should say. Oh great, he's coming. He spotted me! Oh no, not him. Oh, it's going up, it's not right. Cool. I see him. He's trying to camp out in the little ones. I can actually see him. I can't zoom in, but he's got like, he's a black hoodie. I can tell it's him because he's got a red hat on. What if I do this really stealthily? I'm doing this really stealthily. I can tell it's him. I can just tell. He thinks he's being stealthy. I'm the real stealthy. This tree actually isn't giving me any cover. Doesn't know I'm This is good. This is banter. Cool! I was in the bush. Not that bush, but the furthest away bush. Then I crept through the car park and into that bush. And while you were down, I was like, where is he? So I was gonna vault over and then you stood up. He's unarmed. Shit. Shoot! That sounded like I said the S word. It was the SH word. Well, the SHO word. The shoot word. He likes hamburgers. Remember, this is one in the chamber. I only have one gun. One bullet. Cole, do you have one bullet in? Where do you keep all the other ones? I would keep them in my hat. Because I'm a gangster like that.
Open one for you, laddies. Follow my bullets.
I won't let go. This is a good fortress for some people. Oh, it's me, yeah. I'll just keep this fortress. And there's a good sniper area. You ready? I'm gonna put this down a bit. Right, you ready for this camp? Spot 2016. Shit. Shoot. Shoot! Oh, cool. It's really, really annoying. Because when I'm getting up to the camping spot, you can shoot me at any moment. This was the worst idea ever! That was the worst idea. Oh, shoot.
Flywheel versus
Oh. Alright, cool on that right. I can see you spied on me. He's spying on me. Oh.
Sam, your pathetic is frying.
Alright guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching Commando Vlogs, and I'll see you in the next video, which will be tomorrow unboxing, so check that out. I'll see you all later. See you guys! Bye!